Now, a huge political controversy has broken out over a poster released by Arvind Kejriwal's Aam Aadmi Party. The contents of the poster says that if the capital votes for the corrupt again, women will continue to get raped. Now, despite the uproar over the shameful publicity campaign, Kejriwal and his team have unabashedly defended their posters.
पूरी दिल्ली में बलात्कार की घटनाएं रोज़ आ रही हैं और दिल्ली पुलिस के बलात्कार को लेके मतलब ये भी सामने आ रहा है बार बार कि दिल्ली पुलिस बलात्कार की घटनाओं को सीरियसली नहीं लेती, एफआईआर नहीं करती, पीड़ितों की सुनती नहीं है। हर केस में लगभग ये बात सामने आ रही है और हमारे बहुत सारे ऐसे केसेस हुए हैं जिसमें हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं ने जाके प्रेशर बनाया, तब जाके एफआईआर हुई है, तब जाके पीड़िता का इलाज हुआ है। तो हम यही कर रहे हैं। हमें लगता है कि शीला दीक्षित मुख्यमंत्री होकर ये नहीं कर रही, हम कर रहे हैं। हम मुख्यमंत्री नहीं हैं, हम किसी पावर में नहीं हैं। हमें लगता है हमारी एक आम आदमी होने के नाते जिम्मेदारी है और हम ये कर रहे हैं कि पुलिस पे दबाव बनाएं और उससे एफआईआर भी कराएं और पीड़िता को न्याय दिलवाएं।
Well, despite the uproar over these posters, the Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal has come forward to defend the posters and their content.
If you think that I am creating fear psychosis in the women of Delhi, I think you are being biased. You talk to any woman in Delhi. It is not me. It is the rapists who are creating fear psychosis in Delhi. It is the attitude of the police which is creating fear psychosis in Delhi. It is the inaction of the state government and the central government which is creating fear psychosis. How can I create a fear psychosis in Delhi? That is what we are saying. Let's reform. But does the government has the political will to reform? The government is not willing to listen. What do you mean by reform? If a woman is raped and if an FIR is not registered, you will go to the woman and say, don't worry about the FIR. Let's not be negative. Let's talk of reforms. What kind of reforms are you talking of? When a woman is raped, she wants instant justice. She wants the rapist to be arrested. And you are saying that let's talk of reforms. What do you mean by reforms? Of course reforms should take place. Reforms should take place that in future such incidents should not happen. But if incidents happen, then obviously the people should be punished. And it is not the people who are protesting at India Gate when Damini rape took place. There was so many people who came to India Gate. So should Times now go and tell them that let's talk of reforms, go back home and let's talk of reforms, let's talk of positive things. This is positive. Fighting against injustice is a positive action.
In the meanwhile, we're getting you this. No response coming in from Sheila Dikshit. The Delhi Chief Minister has refused to respond to these developments.
आम आदमी पार्टी की तरफ से वो कहते हैं that if you vote for Kejriwal, more rapes will happen. That there is no law and order situation. So in case you know, because these are, don't you think these are atrocious?
I don't want to comment on that, ma'am. Please.